Okay, so this is a very classic piece. This is a British S6 gas mask. You probably recognise this from the Iranian siege. This is what the SAS used. These were introduced in the late 50s, early 60s, and went all the way through to the late 70s, early 80s, when the next one, which is the S10, took over. These are now becoming harder and harder to find. The collectors, especially Cold War collectors, are snapping them up. This particular one is in really nice order. You've got really clear glass here, clear glass on both sides. Some of these you find the glass is cracked or dulled. The interior, the bladder around the outside still inflates, the valve works, and this is an N, which means it is a standard size. So they did three. They did a large, an N, which was standard, an S for small, and that is always imprinted on the side. There's two filters. Obviously, you know, they're not going to work, but that's not what they're designed for. This is a collector's piece. The bag is really nice as well. You've got some of the original contents in there. You've got the detector papers, you've got the wipes, you've got the powder. Obviously, no, you know, it's not going to work, but if you're a collector, then that's all quite important. It's a nice looking bag. It even has the long strap still. Yet again, normally you find they're lost or damaged. It's in really good order, as you can see. For something that's 50 years old, that's quite amazing, really. This one is, I'm afraid, not that cheap. You can get these for as little as 30 quid, but the ones that are 30 quid are just, they're junk, really. Bear in mind, this item is 50 years old. It's in quite remarkable condition still. The main thing with these is, to say, the lenses, and as you can see, the lenses on both of these are mint. So any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I've sold one of these last week, and I'm going to do it at the same price. It was £60. Buy it now. And when you look round, you'll see very, very few. We can ship globally with GSP program if you want to have this abroad. Some countries are funny about gas masks, but there is a legitimate way around it, which is this is a collector's piece. It's not sold as a working gas mask. It's sold as a collector's piece or antique. So that's what we will put on the customs declaration, because that's what it is. You wouldn't actually use this mask. So if you're interested, shoot me a message. Happy to answer any questions about it. But it is available, as I say, right here on Master Direct.